All the way in the corner of this room, there's this little couch. I mean, there's windows everywhere on every side. You see the strip over here, the mountain view over here. I mean, this is sick. Wow.
Another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
I'm leaving you today. I'm leaving you today. Oh my gosh. I'm leaving you.
So today we're at the M Resort in Henderson, and I gotta say, I've been to a lot of amazing hotels. I've stayed in a lot of amazing rooms, but I don't know if I've ever been in a room as cool, as unique as this one. This room is called the Loft Suite. It's on the very, very corner of the M Resort, and look at this behind me.
This is so cool.
All the way in the corner of this room, there's this little couch. And you can see, I mean, there's windows everywhere on every side. You see the strip over here, the mountain view over here.
It makes me so happy how perfectly shaped this couch is for this area right here.
It kind of looks like you're floating in the desert from this angle. It's a loft, so it means there's stairs that lead up to the bedroom, so let's check it out. Whoa. So there's an office, sink, little bar sink thing, and here's the bed. Oh, that's cool. Wow. TV floating in the air. You got blinds, and you can look over.
And look. Raiders.
Oh, bourbon.
Bombsy.
Raider Pompsy.
It's a bourbon.
Welcome to M Resort Spa Casino. We are so glad to have you here and hope you enjoy your stay with us as the official team headquarters of hotel of the Las Vegas Raiders. Thanks, guys. That's really nice.
Ooh.
Thank you, Charles. I appreciate the whiskey. I'll try to sip some down even though I'm not a big drinker. Raiders pins. Raiders battery pack charger. Raiders shot glasses for the whiskey. Not bad.
Ooh,
Not bad.
Looks nice.
Raiders mug. So this is my second time at the M Resort. Hi and hello. This is the M Resort. This is the standard room you get here. And if you're unfamiliar with the M Resort, it is in Henderson, south of the Vegas Strip. Let's show you this room. M Resort is actually one of the most southern, if not, I think it might be the most southern casino and hotel in all of the Vegas area. And in addition to that, it's the headquarters to the Las Vegas Raiders. So there's a bunch of Raiders branding throughout the casino, even on the key cards. Just a few interesting things about this place. It reminds me of Red Rock. It reminds me of the Henderson version of the Red Rock Resort and Casino in a lot of ways. The vibe of the casino and the general kind of classiness and quality of the place. The room is on par with the Red Rock room as well, and they're both around the same pricing too. I released the video, but then I took it down because I felt like it wasn't my best work, so I decided to make it private. But in that video, I showed a standard room, and the standard room was awesome. But this room, it comes with a lot more. So for one, this room has 2 floors. Upstairs is the bedroom, and there's a little office area and a gorgeous bathroom. Downstairs you have your little living room, a little bar, this bar as well, bar table, dining room table, I don't know what you call it, and the sofa in the corner. That's really neat. Also, there's 2 different doors to this place. So we're on floor 11, and that's like the main entrance, but there's actually an entrance on the 12th floor that goes right to the bedroom. Now, M Resort is about 6 or so minutes down the road from Speed Vegas. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but essentially it's a racetrack. And M Resort is partners with Speed Vegas, and they offered us a couple laps around the racetrack. So if you sign up for the player's card at M Resort, you will get a free lap at Speed Vegas. That's how it works. I think the player's card is called My Choice, right?
Yep.
My Choice, yeah. So just so you know, if you're at M Resort and you want to check out Speed Vegas, you can do it for free. At least one lap.
Oh my gosh, that's much better. Alrighty, hop on in there. Alrighty.
Bye-bye. All right, so Greta is going to be a passenger in a Lamborghini with she's doing a ride-along, so one of the people who work here is going to be whipping her around the track. She's got 5 laps. I decided to just watch, do some filming from upstairs, and I get a good view of the racetrack here, so.
Hey, you ready?
I'm ready.
Nothing more.
One round is definitely not enough.
Oh yeah, I know.
4. Bye-bye.
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 Oh, how was it?
It was so good.
Really?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Good job.
First lap, I was like a little like, oh my god, we're gonna die. But as soon as we were done with the first lap, I was like, oh yeah, I could go all day.
So we just finished up dinner at the Raiders Tavern and Grill, which is the sports bar here. Very cool place to watch the game. They have all sorts of Raiders memorabilia, and they even have a gift shop there, so that's pretty neat. Now we're exploring the casino floor. Now, as most of you know, I'm not really the biggest slot person, but I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with the slots here. They have a lot of really unique slots I've never seen before in Vegas, and they're very impressive. I'll show you a few. We're actually at the wine cellar right now. It's closed, but we've been exploring. So if you walk in to the front entrance, you got the check-in area, the beautiful lobby area. You'll see a Ferrari, but if you pass that, you'll see a stair set, and if you go downstairs, that's where the wine cellar is at, where we're at right now. And then right above us, there's actually an elevator here, and that's the Italian restaurant up there. It's called Marinelli's Pasta Bar. Right kind of like, if you keep walking through check-in, you'll see. The top floor, hotel check-in, pasta bar. Second floor, spa. Below that, wine cellar. Oh, there's a UPS store here as well on that second floor. Very, very nice. Looks like they also have a daycare here right across next to the salon and spa. The official field utility and medical vehicle for 1989 Raiders. And last thing we'll show you before heading out, Lux. Special events and weddings with a view, a handcrafted experience. They have a little event and wedding venue here. They also have a steakhouse here, Anthony's Prime Steak and Seafood. That's right next to the Pasta Italian restaurant. right, guys, I'm going to bed. Boom. M Resort, one of the handful of hotels that has a coffee shop strategically and intelligently placed right at the bottom of the elevators. Also, there is a convenience store there as well, so that's amazing. Love that, love that. I've always enjoyed architecture. And M Resort, this place is a great example of a beautifully designed hotel. Aside from the casino floor and the restaurants and everything downstairs, I mean, if you just look at the building, it's very unique on how it's laid out, on how it's built. As is, if you look at this room we're in, I mean, look at behind me. You get the glass, the windows just come to an angle, to a point right here. That's one of the things that always interests me. I love exploring and showing the different layouts of these places, and I always appreciate the architecture behind it. All right, that's it. I got to leave this beautiful establishment. Just want to thank M Resort for hooking up the room and allowing me to experience M Resort, another amazing property in the Vegas area. Technically, this is Henderson, but anyway, if you guys want to stay at a very nice luxury resort that is off the strip, add this one to the list. It's definitely among the best off the strip properties, 100%. Also, pretty chill, pretty relaxed, pretty quiet environment in comparison to a lot of places in Vegas. So, might be a good one for you. But that's it. I gotta go home. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.